Hi, today we are going to see how we can clean this GE gas stove. The thing is, I already removed some of the stuff, but to show you, I just, kept it back. So this is the frame. First, what you need to do is just need to remove the frame. And obviously you can remove the top plate. You can remove the gas distributed chamber. This is basically, you can see that there is no uh, screws or anything attached to this one. Then when it comes to the burner knobs, basically, so we have a rubber cushion sitting over here, and on top of it these knobs will sit. But it's very easy, you just need to pull the knobs and put it aside, and pull this washers and keep it aside. You see that a lot of dust is there stuck in this thing. Primarily I'm trying to repair this one because this burner is not working properly. As you can see, a lot of grease and other stuff stuck in that inside basically. So I thought it's a good idea to remove the complete plate. So that's why I'm just taking this video to show you. So this will help to do this project at your home without bothering about how to repair and all those things. So then what I did was basically I don't have a grease spray. So what I did was I took the coconut oil, I took the drop, and I placed on these screws surroundings. The thing is, the screws are very tight. I don't want them to trip that head. So I took the toothpick and I dropped the oil surrounding to that screws basically. Now what I did was I took this the star wrench basically, you can see that. Go for some professional model, otherwise the screws won't come. So I'm trying to remove the screws basically. So once you take half, just take your finger and just to remove it. Don't put these type of things. I have another one, but this won't come because you don't have any grip, because I put oil, so you don't have any grip to rotate it. So this is the best. Come over here. So I am removing the screws. You see that how the cable is there attached to this light basically. This is the lighter, so it attached to that. Now I removed all the screws. So I lift these things up, these lighters, I just lifted this up. So when you hold it and just pull it, you can make sure that you don't pull all the way. So this is how it looked like underneath. So this is the pin we are trying to clean. You see that is the pin. The only reason I took this one out because, you know, along with this pin I want to clean the dust surrounding to that. You see that a lot of food particles and everything went inside. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this star wrench and be careful because you may drop that one onto the underneath that. Then you have to remove complete stuff to take it out. So that is the whole reason I just loosen this complete steel frame, so that, you know, if it dropped then I can easily pick it up. But I'm gonna take it out. So I'm recording with single hand. Okay, it will come off easily. See that? So I'm gonna, rest of the stuff I'm gonna remove it with my hand. See, this is the pin. So what you can do is you can take the safety pin, and I don't have the correct drill bit, so I take the safety pin, I just clean the hole. So any flakes are there. See, I see some flakes came out basically. So now it's completely clean. So I'll put it back. The same way I'll do all the rest of the stuff. So another thing what I've done was to clean the dust, the particles. See, I put it back, this one, by the way. So to remove all the particles and everything, so I have a hand vacuum. For that, you know, I just put this tube. This, you can pick up any tube from Home Depot. This is my drip irrigation tube. So I put it to inside, and I just taped it so that, you know, it'll suction will be there from the end point. What I did was basically I just removed the pins. I just removed the pins from this one before taking off the plate. So this is how the underneath look is basically. We already cleaned pretty much even the grease underneath it, but then my wife said, you know, why don't we just remove the complete plate? So I just removed the complete plate. You'll see that, you know, how the milk and everything is stuck underneath those stuff. So we're gonna clean everything to make sure all the greases come out. Guys, check how we are cleaning. We just put grease cleaner, and you know, we cleaned up literally everything, so pretty much looks very new. See that? We don't want to remove all the cables and everything because it's very hassle, so we just removed whatever we can and trying to clean the rest of the stuff with the grease and grease cleaner and napkins. It looks very, very neat. So we are done with the cleaning, and also we're gonna put back the lid, the steel lid. Lid also we cleaned up. So let me show it to you how to put that everything. First I'm gonna put this foil because that is what it comes with. So I put back all the washers, actually rubber washers here, because these were taken out and we cleaned up, and I kept it back. And now I'm gonna put I put the foil as well that comes with the stove. I'm gonna put the steel tray on top of it. Okay, so we're gonna put it back, the steel tray. Just put it back 1 second. Okay, now what we can do is put back these pins, igniters basically, into their places. then we need to connect those things with the pin. We're gonna connect all the pins, that way they're secure enough. Okay. Yeah, we put back all the ignites basically into the correct slots, everything in the place. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the rubber cushions here. So now I'm gonna insert the screws into this grooves. So I fixed everything pretty much. So all burners are in the place, and I put the knobs as well. So let's turn on and see. So let's ignite and see. Yeah, it's very good. Earlier burner, we don't have that much burning, but now I see quickly it's igniting and also a lot of flame. See, immediately it is coming. Earlier it was not coming like that, so that's good. Very good. Excellent. Thank you.